Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva to edit your PDF. Okay, so this PDF document could be a journal paper or a report or any kind of project that contains text, images, or even any kind of maybe video you can edit directly on Canva. This is done by just dragging and dropping that particular document in Canva. Now, there are two ways you can do that. The first thing is make sure you're just logging to your Canva account, and then you can come to upload over here. You can upload your media directly, or you can alternatively drag and drop. Like I said, assuming I have this as my file where I want to work with, except I have this file, I can just drag and drop it directly in here, and this is going to go into my Canva and it's going to make everything editable, and I can start working on it directly. And as you can see, it's just been imported, so I can click on it. It's going to open and we can start the edits. Okay, and you can see it's been imported. You can see the complete PDF document. Now, this is the one we're uploading. The second way of uploading is you can be at this home tab over here. You can come to the upload over here, just click and it is going to bring you to the whole thing. You can upload a folder or you can upload files directly from here. Once you click, it is going to take you to your computer where you have those files and you can easily click to upload the document. This is also direct, but then if you want, you can just drag and drop, which we have done, and you can see our document that we've just dragged and dropped over here. Right, so let's go on to see what we can edit directly. Right, so you can zoom this in and out to see the content clearly. All right, so let's start. Everything now is in Elements. Once you click the text in the document, you can see you have all of these editing features for you to use. For example, you can change the font style directly to anything. And with just this simple click, is going to convert all our text into this Arial font style. And you can see it's just done that. And let's undo this because we have too much of what we have. So you can double click on your own to edit any of these sections. You can see all the text is now editable. You can edit any of the sections. You can select the section, you can increase the size, you can play around with the text color, you can change the text coloration as you wish, right? And you can bold things and italize on the line and have all of this control. Even the transparency, you can play around with it. You can animate the text, change the position. You can do all of this from here and even make it caps if you're interested in making it caps. Very, very easy and direct. So that's about text. You can do the same with the images. You can move it across. You can just click and move, and you can remove, or if you want to add another image, you can see you can just replace. Okay, so let's say you can come to upload, or you go to Elements and search for a particular image. So let's say plant image. All right, so let's hit on enter. Let's just get another image and replace this one with. So you can click on this and delete this one if you don't want this, and we have another plant image. So you just select if this is what you want. You can select and resize it and position it in here, and that's perfect. You can move on and change other things. Like here, you have the option to correct or to crop this section of the image, just like so. As you click on the image, you have all of these editing properties as well. You can edit in terms of the general editing of an image that we usually do. You can have the basic editing in terms of the temperature, tint, brightness, contrast. You can edit all of these directly, or you can do background removal, eraser, change this various coloration, and even do cropping, flipping, and so on. Once you are here, you have access to all of this. So many things to change. And if you want to import anything, you can just import and bring it in, whether it is an image or it is even a text that you want to just play around with, or you want to add a text. Now that we have the AI incorporated, you can see you can ask the AI. We can say, can you rewrite the content of this paragraph and make it brief? Okay, so once you hit on enter on this, this is going to help you to write this content that you've just selected, and it's going to make it a bit brief. It's going to like kind of create a summary of what is exactly here, and that's it. It's been generated. You can see the content. You can go ahead and copy. It has created, I think, up to 3 versions. You can just copy, or you can add directly, add to the design, and it's going to add it to the design. Only that you need to do some customization. For example, you can select and you can copy the style from the other text. For example, from this text, you can copy the style, this particular copy style, and then you can paste it in here, and all the text will go back to that particular style. Doesn't mean I want to delete this and bring this in that position. You can see it comes in with the same style that we have in the other one. It's very, very very interesting and easy. So basically, this is how you can go about enhancing, replacing, writing, even adding more content to your PDF document. And once you are done editing, adding, doing the magic, putting in all the things that you need, you can just come over and export it. And to export a PDF here, you can come to share, you can come to download over here. You can change it from PNG to PDF standard. That's the best one. And you're exporting all the 11 pages. So you just select continue download. And this is going to give you a complete download of the entire document that you have just edited. So editing in Canva is very, very easy, especially editing PDF documents. You can see this is what you have edited. You'll be able to see a preview of what you have just created. Alright, so you can see this is the document that we've just edited. Very, very nice and very, very clean. So this concludes this simple basic tutorial about how to edit your PDF in Canva. If you found this helpful, please leave a like. Thank you and see you around.